Hello and happy Friday. I'm Alex. I'm a personal trainer and fitness instructor here at NPTI Orlando. And today's Walmart item of the week are these awesome little push-up bars. Now these awesome little tools are great for optimizing chest and shoulder and arm development. I'm going to have a student come out to the floor, give it a try, and we'll go from there. All right, so I have Danny with me today. Say hi, Danny. Give him another little wave. Yep, there we go. And he's going to demonstrate these push-ups. Now, the awesome thing about these is you can change your hand variations for different grips and motions and planes of movement with the arms to have different variations of muscles targeted. Danny, go ahead and give him a show. And let's go ahead with the neutral grip. Awesome. Now turn them out to the side. There we go. For a wide grip, and let's put it in for a close grip as well. Yes, sir. Awesome. Once again, I'm Alex here at NPTI Orlando, and today's Walmart item of the week is this push-up bar box. Go out to your local Walmart, give it a try. It's great for optimizing chest, shoulder, and arm development, all while minimizing hand, wrist, and elbow stress. Have a great day.